Zhangjiajie and Jackie Chan, a captivating duo in one video. Embark on a captivating journey that effortlessly merges the mystique of Zhangjiajie and the magnetic charm of Jackie Chan. Delve into the mesmerizing landscapes of Zhangjiajie, a place known for its awe-inspiring sandstone pillars and lush greenery. As you explore the breathtaking beauty of this Chinese wonderland, let the legendary Jackie Chan accompany you on an adventure through his extraordinary life. Hello my dear friends, I am Setarehdan, your guide to the wonders of the world on the Tourism with Setarehdan channel. Together, we explore extraordinary global destinations and dive into the amazing lives of local superstars. Subscribe now for unforgettable adventures and unique insights. Your journey begins today. Unveiling the mystical beauty of Zhangjiajie. Nestled deep within the heart of China lies a place that defies the boundaries of imagination. A place that beckons adventurers, nature lovers, and dreamers alike. Zhangjiajie, often referred to as the Avatar Mountains, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This video is an ode to the breathtaking landscapes, fascinating history, and alluring attractions that make Zhangjiajie a must-visit destination. Get ready to be motivated and excited about embarking on an unforgettable journey to this enchanting wonderland. The Land of Wonders. Zhangjiajie, located in the Hunan province of China, is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The region is famous for its towering sandstone pillars, lush forests, deep ravines, and meandering rivers. It is a place where Mother Nature herself seems to have let her imagination run wild, creating a landscape that appears straight out of a fantasy movie. The towering rock formations, blanketed by emerald green foliage, are reminiscent of the surreal world of Pandora from James Cameron's Avatar. In fact, it's no wonder that Zhangjiajie served as an inspiration for the movie. The star of the show is the Zhangjiajie National Park, often referred to as the Avatar Hallelujah Mountain. This park boasts over 3,000 quartzite sandstone pillars, each one unique in its own right. The park covers an impressive 480 square kilometers, making it one of the most extensive and awe-inspiring natural reserves in the world. A glimpse into history and geography. To fully appreciate Zhangjiajie, it's essential to delve into its history and geography. The area's rich history dates back thousands of years and is marked by the presence of various ethnic groups, including the Tujia and Miao people. Their customs and traditions continue to thrive in the region, adding to the cultural tapestry that makes Zhangjiajie unique. Geographically, Zhangjiajie is part of the larger Wulingyuan Scenic Area, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This region encompasses several national parks and reserves, including Zhangjiajie National Park, Suoxiu Nature Reserve, and Tianzi Mountain Natural Reserve. The Wulingyuan Scenic Area covers approximately 397.5 square kilometers and is a natural wonderland that showcases the intricate work of wind, water, and time. Where to stay? Your stay in Zhangjiajie should be truly enchanting, and this starts with where you choose to stay. There are several hotels that provide a comfortable and luxurious experience. 1. Pullman Zhangjiajie. This 5-star hotel offers elegant rooms, an outdoor pool with a stunning view, and a relaxing spa. It's conveniently located near Zhangjiajie National Park. 2. Wulingyuan Sunshine Hotel. Located at the entrance to Wulingyuan Scenic Area, this hotel offers great proximity to the main attractions. It's a comfortable and budget-friendly option. 3. Zhangjiajie International Hotel. With a location in the city center, this hotel provides easy access to dining and shopping. It's an ideal choice for travelers looking to explore both the natural wonders and the city itself. 4. Tianmen Mountain International Hotel. For those planning to visit Tianmen Mountain, this hotel is a top choice. The stunning mountain views from your room are worth the stay alone. 5. Zebu Street Guest House. If you're seeking a more authentic experience, consider staying in one of the guest houses in the charming Zebu Street, a pedestrian-friendly area that resembles an ancient Chinese town. Culinary delights. Your journey through Zhangjiajie wouldn't be complete without savoring the local cuisine. The region offers a wide array of delicious dishes to satisfy your taste buds. Don't miss the opportunity to try these delectable local dishes. The best way to access Lake Hillier is through Esperance, a charming coastal town in Western Australia. From Esperance, you can take a scenic flight or join a guided tour that offers a unique aerial view of the lake and its surroundings. To Hunan cuisine. As a part of Hunan province, Zhangjiajie offers a taste of the famous Hunan cuisine. Dishes are known for their bold and spicy flavors, with kung pao chicken being a popular choice. 3. Tuo rice tofu. This unique dish features a distinctive tofu made from rice, with a soft and creamy texture. It's often served in a spicy chili sauce. 4. Furong shrimp. Named after the nearby Furong town, this dish consists of fresh river shrimp cooked in a garlic and chili sauce. It's a delightful seafood option for those who love a bit of spice. Exploring nearby attractions. While Zhangjiajie's sandstone pillars are the crown jewels, there's more to discover in the vicinity. 1. Tianzi Mountain. Located in Wulingyuan, scenic area, Tianzi Mountain offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Take the cable car to the summit and marvel at the seas of clouds and the numerous rock formations. 2. Tianmen Mountain, known as the Heaven's Gate Mountain. This attraction features a natural rock arch that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. A cable car ride to the top and a walk along the glass skywalk are unforgettable experiences. 3. Baofeng Lake. Nestled within the Wulingyuan scenic area, Baofeng Lake is a serene oasis. Take a boat ride on the crystal clear waters surrounded by lush greenery and waterfalls. 4. Furong Ancient Town. This charming town offers a glimpse into traditional Chinese architecture. Stroll through its cobblestone streets, visit the ancient bridge, and enjoy local snacks. Final conclusion. Zhangjiajie is more than just a travel destination. It's an inspiration waiting to be experienced. The ethereal beauty of the sandstone pillars, the rich history of the region, and the tantalizing local cuisine create an ambiance that is both captivating and motivating. Whether you're an adventurer seeking the thrill of nature or a dreamer looking for a touch of magic, Zhangjiajie promises an unforgettable journey. Don't let this enchanting wonderland remain a distant dream. Start planning your visit to Zhangjiajie today. Step into a world where reality surpasses fantasy, and let the allure of this mystical paradise change your life forever. Zhangjiajie awaits your discovery, ready to inspire and excite your senses. At this moment, I invite you to discover the achievements, secrets, and fascinating biography of Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan, the legendary martial artist, actor, and filmmaker, has left an indelible mark on the world of entertainment. Born in Hong Kong in 1954, he entered the world with a name that would become synonymous with action and stunts, but his journey to success was far from a silver screen fairy tale. Jackie's early life was marked by hardship. He endured a challenging childhood, including a spell at the China Drama Academy, where he honed his martial arts skills and experienced rigorous training. This would lay the foundation for his future success, instilling discipline and a strong work ethic. As he entered the world of film, Jackie struggled to find his niche. Initially cast in supporting roles, he yearned for recognition. His breakthrough came when he partnered with director Lo Wei in the early 1970s and starred in New Fist of Fury. However, it wasn't until he joined Golden Harvest and collaborated with director Yuan Wuping that his star truly began to rise. Jackie Chan's unique blend of martial arts, acrobatics, and slapstick comedy captivated audiences worldwide. He introduced a new style of action comedy that set him apart from his peers, and his innovative stunts became the stuff of legend. Chan's willingness to perform his own death-defying stunts brought authenticity to his films and earned him the admiration of fans and peers alike. One of the secrets to Jackie Chan's success lies in his extraordinary work ethic. He is notorious for performing multiple takes until the scene is perfect, often pushing the boundaries of safety to achieve the desired result. His relentless pursuit of excellence and his attention to detail have cemented his status as a cinematic icon. Jackie Chan's successes extend beyond acting. He's a celebrated director, producer, and singer. His films such as Police Story, Drunken Master, and Rush Hour have become classics in the action comedy genre. His work has transcended cultural boundaries, earning him international recognition and numerous awards. In addition to his cinematic achievements, Chan is a philanthropist. He established the Jackie Chan Charitable Foundation to support various causes, including disaster relief, education, and healthcare. His dedication to making a positive impact on society reflects his character and values. In conclusion, Jackie Chan's life and career are a testament to the power of determination and hard work. From a challenging upbringing to becoming a global icon, he has defied odds and set new standards in the world of entertainment. His secret to success is a combination of innovative action, tireless dedication, and a commitment to making the world a better place. Jackie Chan is more than a martial arts legend. He's an inspiration and a true cinematic treasure. If you enjoyed this trip and this video was interesting and useful for you, please click the like button to support us and write your opinion in the comments section. Also, share the link of this video with your friends and let them join our thrilling journeys. Get ready for an electrifying journey in our upcoming video. We're taking you on a captivating voyage to Norway's Seven Sisters waterfall, where you'll be spellbound by the majestic cascades and the pristine natural beauty of this extraordinary wonder. But there's more in store. We'll introduce you to the music sensation Kygo. Kygo, celebrated for his remarkable music career and global achievements, has left an indelible mark on the international music scene. Join us for a double dose of natural splendors and musical genius. Stay tuned and be sure not to miss this exceptional adventure. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to relish this incredible content. Your next adventure is just a click away. In this section, I have two special suggestions for you. If you want to be more surprised and get more pleasure from getting to know the unique tourist spots in the world and the secrets of celebrities, be sure to watch one of these two videos that you see in the picture. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video.